Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're trying a dumb experiment where we install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. I'm using my personal computer, my Dell Inspiron 5566. Why? Because my Lenovo IdeaPad is going to get fixed soon. So I figured, why not end this good computer off with an experiment? But first, let me just close VMware because I have Windows Whistler build 2211 here, and it does not want to work. So yeah, it just doesn't want to work. It's like every build in the series doesn't want to work. I do not know why. So let's just power this off, and I'm gonna plug this USB flash drive in to the computer. So I'll be back once that is done. Alright, so the USB flash drive is actually connected, and you can see it is there. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to open up, oh wait, I forgot to stop recording. Let me do that real quick. Alright, so what I was going to do is open up File Explorer, as you can see here. Also, by the way, thank you guys for 170 subscribers. That's just amazing. So yeah, let's open up File Explorer here if it wants to, open. I'll be right back. Alright, so we're here. I also have the ISO file, here. So what I'm going to do is run setup.exe. UAC will ask for that. I'll click yes. Also, I did remove the hardware limitations from Rufus, because Rufus lets you remove the hardware requirement. So this should is the keyword. Yep, should is the keyword. Let me just get the thumbnail here. This is going to be the install Windows 11. Setup will go online to get updates, drivers, and optional features. These updates will help the installation go smoothly and includes automatic fixes, updated device drivers, and additional files which are not on the installation media. Alright, sounds good to me. Let's click on next. I'm getting updates, so now it's going to be checking for updates, and there actually might be some updates for Windows 11 here. So yeah, this might be bad. I'll be right back after it's done doing this. Alright, so the setup restarted, and now it's asking us for the license terms, which were last updated in June 2021. Yeah, you obviously want to read all of that. You obviously want to read, like, all of this, guys. So yeah, make sure you go through this, and then click accept. And there we go, making sure you're ready to install, and there we go. Now we're getting updates. This may take a few minutes. Checking for updates, 2% completed. So yeah, this actually might take a while. So let me just time lapse a little bit, then I'll just cut out of it because then I'll get bored and I want to, do some other stuff on my phone because I'm recording this on my phone. So yeah, let's go. But one thing I should probably do is, format my Windows 7 partition, because when I booted this up, it kept on asking me, oh, do you want to boot from Windows 7? Oh, do you want to boot from Windows 7? What? What? Windows 7, I do not want to boot from Windows 7, and I do not want to make that mistake again, so I'm just gonna delete that. I guess I'll go. Oh my god, that actually worked. So we're gonna keep personal files and apps, and we're gonna install Windows 11 Home. Yeah, that sounds perfect. And oh my gosh, guys, it's installing Windows 11, and this PC will restart several times. That's gonna be great. So now I'm gonna go downstairs to go eat something. So I'll be back. It's not 9:34, and it's not September 8th. Oh my gosh, guys, we have Windows 11. Yeah, it worked. The out-of-box experience. It actually looks very good. This might take a few minutes. Yeah, a few minutes. Also, I can't believe this experiment actually worked. I mean, it makes sense, kind of, because this is a 1 gigahertz processor. It has 2 cores, but it's just not supported on Microsoft's website. So yeah, we actually got Windows 11 installed on the Dell Inspiron 5566. And we did it! Windows 11 on the Dell Inspiron 5566. Working great. That's the thumbnail. And that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like if you liked it, dislike if you didn't like it. If you really liked it, make sure you subscribe and check out my website at 7zeb.neocities.org. I'll have it linked in the description, of course. And yeah, I'm working on a big video project, which is why uploads are just crazy and I'm forgetting about Windows a lot because of other stuff. So yeah, I'll see you later. Goodbye.